What's up, everybody? Today we're at MarineMax Danvers. We're going to be walking through a brand new boat that we just got in. We got boats in stock. Who would have thought? Whoa, we're back. 2024 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. We're going to start on the outside of this boat. We'll walk through it. I'm going to show you the outside. I'll show you the inside. I'll show you all the compartments, all the options. Out here, we got the light blue hull. You can see, you might not be able to see it on camera, but you got the silver gel stripe, chrome silver gel stripe, white rub rail with the stainless insert. Chrome graphics are going to be standard on there. I'll show you in a second. We got the tan hull. No bottom paint on it yet, so if you're going on a lift or you're going freshwater, we don't have to paint it and we don't have to get rid of it. Out back here, we got twin 300 V8s. I laugh because this thing is an absolute rocket ship. Absolute rocket ship. White cowling, 4-blade, stainless steel props. This boat will beat all you and your buddies, and it'll do it in style. Just a second here, we're gonna jump in. We're gonna break real quick. We're gonna jump in, and I'm gonna show you the inside of the boat. What's up, everybody? Look at us inside the boat. All right, as we start back on the transom here, you have a big bench in the back. You have combing bolsters all around on this one, and you actually have dual live wells. So if you have competing baits or anything like that, you can separate them, or if you're more of an entertainer, one's a trash can, one's a cooler. Nice and easy. Rod holders across the transom, freshwater shower. This is something I really like too. You have the integrated ladder here. So it's actually underneath the floor, so you don't have to step on and off of it, and risk slipping on it when your feet are wet or something to get back onto the boat. Tons of cockpit space here. As we said, you have the flip out bench here, and as we look down the port side, you have this awesome tuna door. All right, this door is actually made the same way the hulls are made. You can hear, I just slammed that thing open. It's solid, it's rock solid. So you can put a ladder right in here in this base mount, and then this actually flips out too. So a lot of people like this in the tuna door because if you have kids and stuff, if you're swimming, if you're pulling in big fish, it's away from the engines. So you're not cutting lines, kids are safer, and all around it's just fun to jump out the side of the boat. All right, put that safety ring back and we'll pop this shut. You have hose pipes and cup holders, as well as rod holders up and down the gunnels and the transom. We'll move up here. We have these beautiful dual helm seats, fiberglass back, beautiful vinyl, flip up bolsters. And I'd say an armrest for each, but everybody knows this is the captain's armrest. All right. Twin 12-inch Simrad screens, Simrad VHF, locking glove box down here. Look at that. Joystick capability. So joystick has your digital anchor, sky hook, you have auto heading, waypoint heading, multi-power modes. Your joystick is gonna take every obstacle out of boating. You're using that, you wanna hang out before the bridge opens, you're waiting for the gas dock, and then especially when you're docking in tight areas, you're gonna look like a pro. First boat, 100th boat, nobody's gonna have any idea. Traditional rocker switches along the top of the helm here. Beautiful leather wrap dash, that's gonna prevent the glare. Opening vent so you can get some fresh air. We do a lot of these too with wing curtains, so you can set this up. If you have the wings up, it gets a little hot on the hotter days. You open that vent, it solves all those problems. Another locking glove box up here. Life jacket storage and that beautiful blue underside of the hardtop. I'm gonna sneak around here. We'll walk up the side of the boat and I'm gonna show you the head area. Oh, let's check this out first. Look at this, rod storage underneath the gunnels and this tow rail. So as you're leaning over to catch that big fish, you put your toes in there and you're good to go. JL audio throughout the boat too. This one's got the premium sound. You'll show up, everybody's gonna know you're there, guys. Underneath here, you have a folding door so it doesn't hit off the gunnel. This is where your bow table storage is. You have a vacuum flush head. Your keys and panel will be under here. And you also have a macerator. Your key will be there for that too. Trolling seats, whether you're fishing or people just want somewhere extra to sit, this is nice. You sit here, you stare back at the rods. If you haven't caught anything all day, at least you get to sit down while you're doing it. If you have been catching stuff, you get to sit down and watch the lines pull. Midship cleat is here. Nice interior rails. Bow table mount goes right here. Throw the cold cuts out. Everybody knows I'm a big cold cut guy. Look at this. Should I get in there? Let's do it. Let me show you just how big this storage is. Pop down here. I'm just kidding. She would have locked me in. I can't sit down here. But look at this. This is huge, guys. You got a ton of storage here. There's non-skid on the floor. You have dedicated bucket, 5-gallon bucket holders. All your covers go in here, your tackle. This locks, and it's beautiful. A-side finish, too. Nice solid hinges. Storage under here. You have windlass access up front. Again, 2 more cleats for your bow ties. And you're rocking and rolling. Guys, Boston Whaler, 280 Outrage, in stock, ready to go. I'll have this ready in less than 2 weeks for you. Give me a call. Let's get you on the water. Let's get you on the water in style. And let's get you in a whaler. My name is Adam. We're at 10 Hutchinson Drive in Danvers. My number is 781-635-8684. I look forward to getting you in a new whaler. See you soon.